Magnesium is a critical nutrient that plays a key role in hundreds of bodily functions, from muscle health to energy production, yet many of us don't get enough of it. Studies suggest that up to 50% of people have some level of magnesium deficiency, and the signs aren't always obvious. In today's video, we'll go over the 10 signs your body is low on magnesium so you can spot the warning signs and take action before it affects your health. Stick around till the end, and I'll share some tips on how to boost your magnesium intake naturally. Let's dive into the 10 signs that you might be running low on this essential mineral. 1. Muscle cramps and spasms. One of the most common and early signs of magnesium deficiency is frequent muscle cramps and spasms. Magnesium plays a key role in muscle function by regulating muscle contractions and relaxing the muscles after they've worked. Without enough magnesium, your muscles can become tense and contract involuntarily, leading to painful cramps or spasms. Detailed explanation. Magnesium helps control calcium levels in the body, and without enough magnesium, calcium can build up in the muscles, causing them to overcontract. You may experience cramps in different parts of your body, but they often occur in the legs, especially at night. Tip: if you're experiencing regular muscle cramps, especially in your legs, it's a sign that you may need to increase your magnesium intake. 2. Fatigue and low energy. Do you feel exhausted even after a full night's sleep? Low magnesium levels might be the reason. Magnesium plays an essential role in the production of ADP, adenosine triphosphate, the body's primary energy molecule. When your magnesium levels are low, your energy production suffers, leaving you feeling fatigued and sluggish. Detailed explanation. Magnesium is needed for cellular energy production, and a deficiency can lead to general feelings of tiredness, weakness, or lack of stamina. This type of fatigue isn't just physical. It can also make you feel mentally drained and foggy, affecting concentration and focus. Tip: if you're constantly feeling drained despite getting enough sleep, low magnesium might be contributing to your low energy levels. 3. Anxiety and mood swings. Magnesium has a calming effect on the nervous system, helping to regulate neurotransmitters that control mood. When your magnesium levels drop, it can lead to increased feelings of anxiety, irritability, or even depression. Detailed explanation. Magnesium regulates the release of stress hormones like cortisol and supports the function of neurotransmitters like serotonin, the feel-good chemical. A lack of magnesium can make it harder for your body to handle stress, which can lead to mood swings, restlessness, and an overall feeling of unease. Tip: if you're feeling more anxious or moody than usual, low magnesium levels could be affecting your mental health. 4. Irregular heartbeat. An irregular heartbeat or arrhythmia can be a serious sign of magnesium deficiency. Magnesium is essential for maintaining the health of your heart muscles and for keeping your heartbeat steady. Without enough magnesium, you may notice heart palpitations, skipped beats, or an irregular rhythm. Detailed explanation. Magnesium helps regulate electrical impulses in the heart. A deficiency can cause an imbalance of electrolytes like potassium and calcium, which are crucial for normal heart function. In severe cases, magnesium deficiency can lead to more serious heart issues, such as an increased risk of heart disease or heart attack. Tip: if you're noticing a change in your heart rhythm or frequent palpitations, it's important to consult a doctor and check your magnesium levels. 5. High blood pressure. Magnesium helps relax blood vessels, promoting healthy blood flow and maintaining normal blood pressure levels. When your magnesium levels are low, your blood vessels can constrict, leading to increased blood pressure and potentially more serious cardiovascular problems over time. Detailed explanation. Magnesium works alongside potassium to keep blood vessels relaxed. Low magnesium can increase your blood pressure, raising the risk of heart disease and stroke. Studies have shown that magnesium supplementation can help reduce high blood pressure, especially in people with hypertension. Tip: if you've been dealing with high blood pressure, adding more magnesium-rich foods to your diet might help. 6. Frequent headaches or migraines. If you suffer from regular headaches or migraines, magnesium deficiency could be a factor. Magnesium plays a role in nerve function and blood flow, and low levels can cause blood vessels in the brain to constrict, triggering headaches. Detailed explanation. Magnesium deficiency has been linked to the release of neurotransmitters that contribute to migraine attacks. Studies show that magnesium supplementation can reduce both the frequency and severity of migraine headaches. Tip: if you experience regular headaches or migraines, talk to your doctor about checking your magnesium levels as part of your treatment plan. Point 7. Tingling or numbness. A less common but concerning sign of magnesium deficiency is a tingling or numb sensation in your extremities, such as your hands or feet. Magnesium deficiency can affect nerve function, causing a pins and needles feeling that may indicate that your nerves aren't functioning as they should. Detailed explanation. Magnesium is involved in nerve signaling, and without enough of it, nerves can become overactive, leading to these tingling sensations. Chronic low magnesium can also result in more serious nerve-related issues like tremors or muscle weakness. Tip: if you're experiencing frequent tingling or numbness, it's important to investigate your magnesium levels and talk to a healthcare professional. 8. Osteoporosis and weak bones. Magnesium is essential for bone health as it helps regulate calcium levels and contributes to the structural development of bones. Low magnesium levels can weaken your bones over time and increase your risk of developing osteoporosis. Detailed explanation. Magnesium influences the body's ability to absorb calcium, which is crucial for bone strength. A lack of magnesium has been linked to lower bone mineral density, making bones more susceptible to fractures and long-term conditions like osteoporosis. Tip: if you've been diagnosed with low bone density or are concerned about your bone health, increasing your magnesium intake could help support stronger bones. Point 9. Sleep problems and insomnia. Having trouble falling or staying asleep. Magnesium plays a vital role in regulating the body's sleep-wake cycle by supporting the production of melatonin, the hormone that controls sleep patterns. A magnesium deficiency can disrupt sleep, leading to insomnia and restless nights. Detailed explanation. Magnesium helps to activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for helping the body relax and prepare for sleep. Studies show that magnesium can improve sleep quality by promoting deeper, more restful sleep. Tip: if you're struggling with sleep issues or insomnia, boosting your magnesium levels might be the key to better rest. 10. Weakness and muscle fatigue. Muscle weakness and fatigue can be signs that your body is not getting enough magnesium. Without sufficient magnesium, muscles can't function properly, which can leave you feeling physically weak and exhausted even after minimal exertion.